Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. First, you need to go to the camera in your Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. Just open camera. And here go to video mode. Video mode is in here. Just click this. And you have to keep your video in horizontal position and click here and click on SLO-MO. Now record your video. I record this video in a normal way. I write something like, "Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech." And you can stop this video. Now play the video. So you have recorded slow motion video. The video will be playing in slow motion. See here the action, it's very slow. Actually, I have written in fast, but it's playing in very slow because you have selected the slow motion option. See here, the writing is very slow. So in this way, you can record slow motion video in Vivo V9 Pro smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye.